guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm creating long lasting summer sweat proof makeup. So guys, I will show you step by steps what steps you need to follow to get long lasting makeup. So without delay a time, let's begin. So first, clean your face properly. Any old makeup, you need to clean your skin properly first. Second step, take ice cube and thin cloth and rub your skin gently about 5 to 10 minutes. You can do this process twice a week. Please do not use ice cubes directly in the skin. Might be your skin irritation or burnesses. Why uses the ice? Ice help to shrink pores, reduce acne, reduce oiliness, reduce signs of aging such as wrinkles. Second step, apply toner. So I'm using toner from Foreverliving Aloe Vera. Hydrating toner. Use cotton pad and apply dab way. Toner is great for keeping your skin hydrating, clearing out and tightening pores, rebalancing pH levels and washing away excess oils. Third step, apply moisturizing. I'm using moisturizing from Nivea. Repair and care 72 hours for the dry skin. Very important to apply moisturizing no matter what kind of skin have you got. But remember, if you got oily skin, water gel based moisturizing. If you got dry skin, hydrating moisturizing. Fourth step, apply sunscreen lotion from SOLAIT 50 SPF high moisturizing sun lotion, advanced UVA and UVB protections to protect your skin from sun and sun rays and hold your makeup long lasting. Next, apply primer from NYX MARSH MELLOW Primer. Use pore filling primer. Primer blow pores and stop starting sweating. Next, apply color correcting from Revolution Ultimate Radiant Color Corrector. If you got any pigmentation, uneven skin tone, blemishes, black circle eyes, use color correcting according to your skin condition. I'm using light peach color correcting for slightly black circle eyes and where I have got uneven skin tone. Next, apply loose powder from MUA powder to lock your base and to stop sweating. Now apply setting spray from Revolution lasting whole makeup for the lock down your base. Next, apply foundation from KIKO MILANO Joyful Holiday 24 hours. I'm using medium to full coverage. Apply less amount of the foundation first, so I'm applying from my finger. This way you can control and use foundation brush and apply dab way. Do not drag or rub. For blending, I'm using Damn Beauty blender to get flawless result. Next, apply concealer from Aloe True Match 6D/W. Apply under eyes, forehead, near mouth, and in the chin. After apply the concealer, leave the concealer few minutes to become taggy. This way give you full coverage. Meantime, apply clear eyebrow gel from Revolution for the eyebrow replacement and for long-lasting eyebrow makeup. Next, blend the concealer till the smooth and evenly apply. Next, doing eyebrow pencil using from MUA micro define pencil, and only going to fill the sparse area and keep it natural. Same concealer apply in the eyelid and blend out properly and let it dry. For the brightness concealer, I'm using from Jacqueline medium and natural. Next, one more time, I'm going to apply loose translucent powder. Slightly apply under eyes, nose, cheekbone, and near the mouth. Next, doing eye makeup, I'm using two types of eyeshadow palette. First palette I'm going to use from Huda Beauty, medium nude obsession. First transition color, I'm going to take light color and apply in the eye crease and eye bone. From the same eyeshadow palette, using dark brown color and apply in the outer corner, inner corner, and eye crease. Use clean brush and blend out properly till the smooth and make sure there are no harsh lines. Next, apply champagne shimmer color and apply middle of the eyes. This eyeshadow palette called Eyes of London. Next, apply eye pencil in the waterline. Next, use same light color of the eyeshadow and apply in the lower eyelashes and smoke out. Next, apply mascara from MUA Reloaded Lash XL Waterproof Mascara. Now use clean brush and dust out excess powder. Next, apply powder bronzer from Rimmel London 002 sun bronze and apply in the cheekbone, forehead and jawline to give some sun kiss effects. Next, apply powder blush from Revolution and it's called Cheeky, and using light peach color and apply in the high cheekbone. One more time, use makeup setting spray lasting hold from Revolution and lock down everything. Next, apply liquid blush from Revlon. I'm taking in my hand and use the beauty sponge and apply in the high point of the cheekbone. When you apply directly from applicator, it will be thick and chunky. Finally, apply liquid lipstick from Maybelline Vinyl Ink Lipstick 10 Lippy. This is my final look. So guys, you can follow this simple step to get summer sweat proof long lasting makeup. I hope you guys love watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share the video. It's helped me to build up my channel. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon. Love you all. Take care. Bye.